Hey guys, in today's video, just like the other one, today I'm actually going to show you how to make an attack helicopter instead of transport. So yeah, just so you know, in the other video, that guy kept blowing up and stuff, and I think his VR died. But what happened is, the reason it took me forever to upload is because it's more than 15 minutes and I got to verify my channel soon. So, what you always are going to do for an attack helicopter is start with this. This is the best way to start it because it's thin enough and it's just really perfect. You're gonna want to try to line it up as good as you can. That's good enough. And then what you're gonna do is not that. You're gonna get 2 crowbars. And you're gonna angle these in. Just like something like that. I gotta fix that angle. And then gonna get another box fan. And then here's where I would save it. Cause oh yeah. Here I would save it because you don't want to accidentally grab it and delete it. Yeah, I don't use this often, so I'm gonna delete that. That was my transportation helicopter. You can go and check out that video if you want to make that. It's like a big, heavy tank one that they almost can't hit you in. Okay. The good thing is, if you have a saved item, then I put that. But look, it can pass through. Now the only thing is the goop it'll hit. So what you're gonna want to do is line it up just like that. And now it'll constantly keep going up. So, oh wait, shoot, I messed up. Sorry guys, not that. You actually want it a bit longer and on a less steep angle. You're gonna add 2 more crowbars. Forgot about that. Haven't made this in a while. Just like that. Okay, so now that you have that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a police shield on the front to help protect yourself. And then you're gonna put, yes, another 2 crowbars, but this time on the back. Trust me, it'll look way better when we're done. Okay, now that I have that. Oh, wait, shoot. My apologies again. 3 box fans. That's why I had that 3rd one. Yeah, that's why it's kind of looking weird at the start. So hard to line up. There we go. Alright. Now, I'm gonna get these 2 pieces of goo. And I'll save this. So yeah, all helicopters and stuff like this are gonna get heavy. Also, for some reason, certain group builds will get flung when you try to put it on the scanner. Now this is actually starting to look like a helicopter. And I recommend putting 1 or 2 saddles on here. And that transportation helicopter one that I did a while ago, that one I actually recommend putting 3 to 4 if it's going to be that big. And you can also add more riot shields if you want to. But anyways, back to building. Alright. So yeah, the crowbars are really like an exoskeleton. I mean, I don't even know if it's exoskeleton. You're just gonna make the whole hood, I think it's called, with this. And again, I always prefer to use riot shields as the walls, because that is always like a good option. Personally, I'm gonna add 2 saddles. Actually, no, 1. And the only bad parts with helicopters like this is if you're carrying someone and they have item, then that item is gonna like hit against the building. It's gonna like get it launched and glitched out. But okay, now this is where I would add this box fan. And then I'll start adding on more riot shields. Because, you know, it can't be a helicopter if you're going to get shot and killed and griefed every second. Yeah, that's a bad thing with these types of builds, is because people can be really lazy, and all they're going to do is just kill you, take it, scan it, and then leave the code. Like, at that point, just follow your boy and watch the videos and actually make it. Don't be lazy. Alright, now we're just gonna need 1 more. Okay, that goop just disappeared. Now we're done with that side. So I'm